Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about how to get Shopify 30-day free trial latest update. But I need to tell you, Shopify is going to end their 3-month trial and replace it with a 1-month trial. It was advised you all to take advantage of that free account and get that extra 60 to 90 days. Was sending you my information. I have a contact at Shopify who informed me about this early on. They knew I had a YouTube channel, so they thought it would be a good to let the world know in advance. I can reveal their identity for obvious reason, as I don't want them to get in troubles at Shopify. Some of you found out about this from my video and took action to create an account before the change. Now the change is here, so you can get the 3 months for free anymore. However, you still have the option to pay $1 for a 3-day trial, or pay $1 for a month, and then the normally monthly fee. If you have signed up at the right time as per my video, you'll have saved about $80. It's not a huge amount, but it's a little help. If you are still interested in joining Shopify, I will leave the link in the description where you can join for $1 for a month after your 3-day free trial. Now the offer is to sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. This is different from the early after offer of 2 weeks free trial, followed by 1 for 3 months. Things change, but I want to remind you that when I put on message about oncoming change, I'm seriously. This is another example of why it's important not to procrastinate. Anyway, let's start with the video. The first thing to do is to click on this link and wait. Basically, this takes like a few minutes, like 2 or 3, maybe. That's depend of your internet. And now, in this page, we need to put our email address. After that, now our Shopify store are creating. Well, in this step, we only need to wait again. And now we can see this. Your trial just start. Your trial ends on February 16. Select a plan, extend your Shopify trial for $1 for your first month. Now we click here and select a plan. And here we have the plans. It's basic, Shopify for smart teens, and advanced as your business scales. World's best converting, check out custom reports and analytics, and other things. Now I will explain you something very, very important. For example, if you have a $1 for the first month, don't select advanced price. Why? Because you don't need it. You are new. For you, it's only basic or for small teens. If you select advanced, it's really, really expensive. It's basically $300 per month. And it's really, really, really expensive for you if you are starting, obviously. For example, you only need basic because you have all the options for a new store. For example, if you have a store and you need to continue with that, you can select Shopify for small teens. It's really cheap. It's like $50 per month. And you have other options. You can have employees. But these not are the only plans. For example, if you go down, you have the starter plan for selling in social, retail for selling at retail stores, and plus. The plus it's basically for a big company or a big store, because you can see it's basically $2,300 per month. It's a lot, and you have discounts for this. And for example, in retail, it's basically $80 per month. And you don't need that, because if you are a starter with a starter plan or basic or for small teams, you have it. With that, it's all you need. For example, other thing you need to know is this. A starter, it's a really, really basic store. It's basically for, Instagram or TikTok or something like that, because you only need a little page and that's it. I don't suggest you this starter plan because, well, it's really cheap. it's $5 per month. But if you have a plan and your business are growing up, well, the starter plan is not enough for you. Sorry. You will have problems with customers, with products, but if you are really new in this world, you can select that. But I don't suggest you for that reasons. For example, you have 1 or 2 months planning this store for you, and you select the niche, you select the products, and you select all you need. Basically, you have a plan. And for that plan, you don't need a small store. Because, for example, with 6 or 7 clients, you will have a problem. You can complete it, but it is complicated. But you have the option. For example, if you select a starter plan, when your store are growing up, you can change the plan. For example, the starter to basic plan, or the basic plan to Shopify for small teams. And this for the advanced mode. You can growing up basically in the price. Now I will show you another method. For example, you only click here in the X, you press settings, now in service and plans, and if you can see, you can select your plan. For example, we have 3 dias remain. It's for the basic plan. You only put shows a plan, and we are here again. For example, if you select a basic plan, now you only need to put your billing dates. For example, your card number, your name, your last name, your country, and your postal code. You have another option too. For example, here, you only need to click here and select a plan, and that's it. Or for example, in online store, you can click here in pick a plan and select the plan. For example, you can put here, try post-pro free for 1 month, starting at $80 per month. For example, in all, post-pro it's for $80 per month. So be careful with that. If you don't need it, don't click on it. Well, here you select the plan, and after that you only need to do this. Just basically manage password, delete the password, and press save. If you select a plan, basically you open the store. Before that, you need to modify the entire store. If you don't modify the store, basically the store remember, you need a personalized domain for your store. Looks more professional. Nobody likes the not professional store. For example, if you see a store and that store have Shopify.com, it's not good. It's not professional. For that, I suggest you select always a domain. And well, that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.